Replace or correct your citizenship certificate, Mr. Daniel Philip. You have to make the NC application. The fee is 250, and you have to go here, nationality service. This 6th option, you have to go for this one. Mr. Daniel Phillips have one question, Taj Bhai. Hello, my British nationality certificate is lost. What should I do? Please tell me. Thank you, Mr. Daniel Phillips, for your question. Let me show you the relevant section of nationality law. It's not immigration rule. Replace or correct your citizenship certificate, Mr. Daniel Philip. You have to make the NC application. The fee is 250, and you have to go here, nationality service. This 6th option, you have to go for this one. Applying for a duplicate service, NC. So you will make the application for NC, and you have to mention how you lost and whether you have any police report or any documentation from any viable authority that they lost your nationality application. It's very straightforward and it's not time consuming. May I request Mr. Shah to enlighten him, please?
Mr. Phillips, the rule is very straightforward, and my colleague has shown you the relevant procedures what you need to follow. So I think it is a self-explanatory. But just adding to your question, that previously it was not possible to replace a lost certificate, but these amendments were recently brought into place. So you follow the procedure, you will get a new certificate. Thank you.
ধন্যবাদ তাজ ভাই। ভালো লাগে অন্য ভাষাভাষী দর্শকরাও আসছেন, তাদের প্রশ্ন করছেন, প্রশ্নের জবাব দিচ্ছি। আল্লাহ শুকরিয়া আদায় করি।
Are you a first-time property buyer? Are you a homeowner looking to raise funds from your property? Are you looking for better mortgage deals? Look no further. Binaco Financial Services is the answer. From residential mortgage to commercial mortgage, Islamic mortgage, or limited company mortgage, we provide mortgage services that best suit your needs. Let us help you to find the right mortgage for you. Call us today on 0208-050-2478 for a better future awaits you. Binaco Financial Services Limited is directly authorized and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority.
এই অবস্থার মধ্যে টাকা ছাড়া আমার আর কোনো উপায় নাই। বাড়াইবে নিবা আজকে? কোন দিন যেন আমার বাড়ি হইব, গাড়ি হইব। জিও শেপাই রেডি। আমি লন্ডন আইছি এক উন্নত লাইফের আশায়, আর আমার স্বপ্ন বাস্তবায়নে সহযোগিতা করা তাজ সলিসিটার।
We are committed to help people like Lal to achieve their dreams.
Taj Solicitors. Believe in service. I help my plants to grow. My performance demands competence. Photography is my passion. Accountancy is my profession. We, Mahbub & Co., a team of dedicated professionals.
Mahbub & Co. Accountants.